It is amazing how good the car is with 30+ year newer design tire tech. I spent a bunch of days polishing it when I bought it, and yeah, it needs nothing. It's been through all kinds of major services. This car was substantially more fun to take around the track than the GT3. Yeah, so I'd thrown on the 200 treadwear tires, and my time at RMM was all kinds of fun. The suspension's fantastic. Again, it's all double wishbone. The body control is fantastic. It's got that like 1990s soft suspension, like everything leans in the corners. It doesn't corner flat. You've got the suspension geometry there, corrects for a bunch of that lean. Like it's titanium rods. It's everything that Honda could throw at it from engineering and design and some of their Formula One time. First VTEC car, incredibly smooth motor. You will never catch me on a golf course. It's got easily the ability to carry a set of clubs. Got the very early 90s 6-disc CD changer.
Wow.
Oh yeah, everything works. It's the fixed roof. You've got all the chassis stiffness that goes along with it. I know Honda, once they took the roof off with the later cars, they had a lot of challenges with both adding weight and trying to get that rigidity back. So I specifically wanted a fixed roof coupe. So mine, 3-liter 5-speed. The later NA ones were the 3.2-liter 6-speeds. Again, that where the roof panel would go in here. But yeah, you can see some of that additional chassis bracing and stuff that they needed as the roof piece out. Made a few updates. So yeah, the bigger 3.2-liter motor, 6-speed, looks very similar. A little skinny spare tire that you've got to inflate it even to get your sidewall. But lots of cars, they've lost the spare tires over time. When I bought the car, there'd been lots of little oil leaks and stuff, or coolant leaks. So I took the time, got it all dry ice blasted to get it back to a call it like as new kind of condition. The ethos of the car was was essentially lightweight. Whole car's aluminum, which caused all kinds of challenges with maintenance. It's everything low, everything central to the car, all polar moment of, like minimizing polar moment of inertia. All the suspension is very thin aluminum castings or forgings. It's pretty special. The only thing I've changed out on the interior is to an NSX Type R style shifter. So there's no rubber, nothing. Every time I get into it, I've kind of got that little kind of feeling inside of like, this will be fun. Like this will be a fun drive. Whether it's out to the mountains or just out getting groceries. It's only a weekend toy. Like I take the train in to downtown. The early cars were no power steering. You get that beautiful, very direct connection to the road. You feel all the bumps, you feel the tires loading up, you've got excellent steering. Nothing to say that the later power steering cars are any problems, but the only issue I've got is with a set of 200 tread wear sticky tires, not a whole lot of fun at low speed steering out of parking lots. If that's the worst thing I've got to do, that's fine with me. Wait for that to settle. Yeah, gotta go head back.